Hi, this is Yahop. I'm a option trader. Today is Saturday, August 13, 2025. It's 3:16 p.m. in Japan. Let's take a look back at Friday's market action. Okay, Japan market. The Nikkei closed at 42718 yen, down 0.26% from the previous day. But in the night session, which dropped sharply and ended at around 42095 yen. It seems profit taking was the main driver, leaving the impression of a notable sell-off. Is this the August monthly candle has closed, so we'll review that as well later. The volatility index fell to 22.27, continuing gradual decline. That suggests the market move is leading risk on. So when the night session dropped, remains concerning. The PL is at 17.62 and the EPS has recovered to 2424 yen, bouncing back from the worst levels and holding above 2400 yen. No big changes in the bond or FX. The 30-year GBP yield is at 3.16% and the USD GPI remains stable around 147 during the day. The Nikkei trading steady in the 42000 yen range with strong move in individual stock. The concern lies in the night futures sell. That said, long position don't look heavily damaged yet. In fact, recent months have been more about powerful short squeeze. So this looks less like a breakdown and more like a normal correction. Next, U.S. market, the S&P closed at 6460 point, down 0.64%. The VIX ends up to 15.36. The U.S. 30-year yield stayed unchanged at 4.93%. Commodity where things get interesting. Gold rose to $3448 plus 0.90%, climbing for the fourth straight day and moving toward the $3500 level. Its volatility index also rose to 17.39, pointing to buying driven by fear. Bitcoin fell to $10800 and 3.6% down, while gold is attracting flows. Bitcoin is weighed down by valuation concerns. Hedge demand is clearly shifting from Bitcoin to gold. Big picture, U.S. securities have been particularly strong and have often been pulled higher by Japan's rally. The night session and decline on Friday raise questions, but considering it was the month and then the final week and Friday, I see it as a routine adjustment. My view is that the market will likely bounce back next week, with August ending and September ahead. And the only noticeable risk I sense is a water shortage. Tokyo is under an extreme heat, but not to the point where daily life is severely disrupted. So it has not gained much market attention. So risk often develop quietly below the surface, so it was monitoring. For now, I see this as just a partial in the rally. Next week, the market could easily return to strength. The key is whether the strongest large cap names keep holding up. If they do and the rally continues, if they are weakened, and then the view needs to change. And that's it for today. If you like my content, think of following me like taking a long put position. It could pay off in the future. See you tomorrow.